Hi guys, welcome back. Getting things done in the kitchen is somewhat challenging when you have young children at home. So in this video, I am going to share 3 transferring activities and also discuss their benefits. These are easy to set up to keep your kids busy while you cook. You can set up these activities on the kitchen island where you can keep an eye on your kid while you cook. Hi, I'm Sonia. I'm a certified early childhood Montessori teacher. I'm passionate about finding ways to help my children explore life to its fullest potential. Alright guys, the first activity is transferring and sorting pom poms. So here is how Ram is having fun and also occupied doing this activity. This is transferring and sorting pom poms by their color.
Tom,
Yellow goes in yellow.
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 Are you done?
Yeah.
Is done?
No, you have more pom poms.
I have more blue.
Oh, you want blue? Okay. It's hanging. Whoop. Red. Boop. While doing this activity, brain is constantly sending signals to the hand, improving his hand-eye coordination. Also, these activities will stretch your child's attention span. This is how slowly they build concentration. It's okay. Yeah. That's okay.
I can get it.
You can get it. Are you done? Put it back on the shelf.
I'm done.
You're done. This is a part of Montessori cycle of activity. Includes a child chooses a material, works on it, and then finally puts it at the same place back on the shelf. Alright guys, let's move on to the second one, transferring colored water using pipette. I have mixed different food coloring with water. You can make colored water of your own choice. I have demonstrated how to do it once, and there he is. Ram is transferring colored water.
After it's finished.
Almost finished. You want blue? Holding pipette while doing this activity strengthens their fingers and prepares them to hold the pencil to write.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Story.
You're done. You're done. Alright guys, let's move on to the third one, transferring marbles using spoon.
It's not there. There.
Yes. All finish?
Oh, it's finished.
Yes.
Time to get out.
Time to get out.
One.
One. Yes.
More daddy.
You want one more activity? Okay. Like I told you earlier, you can also set up these activities on the kitchen island where you can keep an eye on your child while you cook. Alright guys, let me tell you the benefits of these activities. So these activities help in improving their hand-eye coordination, improves their flexibility of the wrist, strengthens their fingers, and also builds concentration. These activities help in improving life skills. In real life, when your child is sitting at the lunch table, then your child can independently transfer the stuff onto their plate. Ram loves to serve himself independently while having his lunch or dinner. Alright guys, I hope these ideas keep your kids busy while you're in the kitchen. And my next video will be on what's on my Montessori shelf for my son Ram, who is 2.5 years old. So if this is something you're interested in, then you might consider subscribing so that you don't miss the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.